Hello everybody, it's Sanjin5560 here, and the moment is finally... I just bumped my tripod. The moment is finally here to unbox the Google Pixel 8 Pro. It's inside this brown box, of course. So yeah, I'm not going to be adding an intro onto this video because, I don't know, you guys want to see this, I guess, probably. So, yeah, let's just open the box now. Wait, where's the tape on this, though? Oh, well that explains it. There's glue on it. Come on. Got a bunch of papers, and here it is. A bunch of papers in here with a little thing to put my old Pixel 7 Pro that was broken into it, so I can ship my Pixel 7 Pro back. And there it is, the Google Pixel 8 Pro box. I am so excited right now. Okay, so let's pull these little pull things in the back. And another pull thing on the back. And now, let's open the box. Oh my god, that looks so good. Wow. Take a look at that. Wow. That looks nice. Peel this. Wow. This phone looks freaking nice. I love it. So we'll put the phone aside. Inside the package, we have a data transfer thingy, which is a USB-C to USB Type A. And then, oh, there goes the data transfer thing. That's fine. I can grab it. Now let's put the data transfer thing somewhere else. And then, around this thing where the data transfer thing is kept, we have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, which looks very nice. My Pixel 7 Pro didn't even come with a freaking cable, so I wonder why the Pixel 8 did. Wow. We'll just put that in there, because I kind of don't need it right now. If it will go back in there. And then we have like this little instruction thing, which I'm not going to get out because who the heck's going to freaking read that? And now let's move back onto the phone and set up the phone. Okay, so let's set up the phone. Welcome to your Pixel with this weird background animation thing. Sorry about that. The recording stopped because a pop-up popped up on my Samsung, which I'm using to record on, asking if I'd like to set up the Pixel using my Samsung. Connect to Wi-Fi. Let's use my Wi-Fi network. Whoa, this keyboard is different from the Pixel 7's. I'm using an iPhone 12 mini as my main phone, so this phone is like huge to me. Here's it compared to my iPhone 12 mini. Wow. This phone looks freaking cool. Phone activation, no, wait. Don't do that. Let me get my SIM eject tool so I can setup Life360 so I could take out the pre-installed SIM card. I believe it has. I don't know if it has one actually. It might. SIM ejection tool. The thing is on the side, I believe. Yep, just like the Pixel 7 Pro. Oh, what do you know? A pre-installed SIM card, which I do not need. Come out, please. Yep, a pre-installed Verizon SIM card. But I don't need that because I already have my own SIM card. Just put this back in the phone. And then let's continue with this. Getting your phone ready, checking network info, some device information, whatever, I can't read that now. Skip, I don't have a mobile network right now because I took a pre-installed SIM card out that I don't need. Checking info. Oh my god, I love this phone. Sign up my Google account. Entering my Google account password. One minute. There we go. It yet again stopped the recording because of the two-step verification thing. Yes, I agree to the Google's terms and services. Set a PIN. Re-enter my PIN. Fingerprint unlock, yes. Okay, let's set up the fingerprint unlock. There we go. There we go with that finger. Now let's do my other one. Okay, now that's set up. Next, set up face unlock, no. Copy apps and data, no. I accepted all of that. Yes, I totally read it. No, I didn't. Okay. Continue. No. Yes, I guess. No. Yes, let's use now playing. Set up always on display, yes. Review additional apps. I don't really care if those get installed because I have a Pixel Watch I'm going to set up with it in a minute. Not in the video, of course, but later. No. Come on, hurry up with this. I know how all this works. Epic. There we go. Unboxing and setup of the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.